Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to be talking about exactly how to use your DoorDash Crimson card. So let's say that you have now applied for your DoorDash Crimson card and you have maybe even gotten it right now, which is perfect. So you will be able to see on the app, on your Dasher app, that you now have a Crimson virtual card basically. And now you're probably wondering what can you do with it and how to use it, which is a valid question. So basically, let's say that you're now going for a Dash and you receive a certain amount of money for that specific Dash, let's say like $14-15 as an example. So now let's say you have this $14 sitting on your account on the DoorDash Crimson card and you want to be able to use it. Well, it is very simple. So for example, you can actually just add that specific virtual card to your Samsung wallet, I think it's called, or Apple Wallet, or yeah, whatever else is out there, I think. So Apple Wallet and Samsung Pay or Samsung Wallet, I think, is the most common ones that you can actually add it to. And then you can just actually use it to make whatever purchase that you want to be able to make. So mainly it is, I guess, online purchases, or if you're going for maybe you need to fill up your gas or whatever and you want to be able to pay it, you can also use your mobile phone and just, scan it on the card reader or the thing that they have at the gas station, and then you will be able to pay for the gas. And that, I guess, applies also for groceries or any other things that you want to be able to buy that actually allows for card purchases or card transactions. So it does actually work almost like the same as any other card out there, but it is just virtual. So I don't think you actually get the physical card itself. It is virtual card that you have on your mobile, and you can add it to, for example, your Apple Wallet and just use it as whatever kind of purchase that you want to be able to make, as I said before. And it is very, very convenient because you will actually get money straight away to that card when you complete a specific dash or all of the dashes that you are doing. So let's say you do a dash, you complete it, you get $14. Next dash, you maybe get $15. You get it like basically straight away on that card, and you can use it to whatever you want to be able to purchase from there afterwards. And that is basically exactly how to use it.